Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get better at Sumo Minecraft. First, focus on mastering your movement. Good strafing and circle strafing can make you a much harder target to hit. Next, understand the knockback mechanics. Knowing how much force your hits apply is crucial. Finally, always try to maintain center control of the arena for a strategic advantage. These foundational steps will significantly improve your gameplay. Once you've got the basics down, it's time for advanced techniques. W tapping is essential for consistent knockback, allowing you to reset your sprint and apply maximum force with each hit. Block hitting can mitigate incoming knockback, keeping you on the platform longer. Also, try to anticipate your opponent's next move. This foresight will give you a critical edge in close encounters. Consistent practice of these methods will elevate your game. Strategic positioning is key to consistent wins. Always aim to control the center of the arena. This gives you more options for knocking opponents off and makes it harder for them to push you. Avoid getting trapped near the edges or in corners, as these are highly vulnerable spots. A calm and focused mindset is also crucial. Don't panic under pressure and learn from every match, win or lose. Consistent practice is the ultimate path to improvement. Try to dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused Sumo Minecraft sessions. After playing, take some time to review your gameplay. Watching replays can reveal mistakes and opportunities you missed in the heat of the moment. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals that might enhance your gaming experience. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.